Here, let us do a yummy and tasty bread halwa for the time taking 7 to 8 slices of milk bread. Make it into pieces, transfer to a mixer jar, pulse it once to get the breadcrumbs. Now heat the kadai and add a 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add the breadcrumbs we have prepared. Fry it well until then it turn into a golden brown. Now heat the kadai and add a 1 cup of full fat milk for the richness of bread halwa. Stir it well until then it get thickened. Now transfer to the bowl. Now heat the kadai and add a 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add the mixture of nuts. Fry it well and add a 1 cup of water. Add the cardamom for the flavor. Add the sugar for the sweetness. Stir it well until then it get dissolved. Now add the breadcrumbs we have prepared. Mix it once. Add the prepared milk to it. Mix it once until then it free from the pan. Now your delicious bread halwa is ready with the garnish of almonds. Thank you.